Can I use lime sulfur dip on my cat or dog? If you are wondering whether lime sulfur dip is safe for your furry friend, you are not alone. Many pet owners face the challenge of treating skin conditions like ringworm in their cats and dogs. Lime sulfur dip is a topical solution that can be effective against various skin issues, particularly those caused by fungi and parasites. Lime sulfur dip is a sulfur-based solution that works well for treating skin infections. It is commonly used for conditions like ringworm, which is a fungal infection that can affect pets. The active ingredient in lime sulfur dip is a sulfurated lime solution, which is known for its antifungal properties. When it comes to safety, lime sulfur dip is generally considered safe for both dogs and cats. It can also be used on puppies and kittens, but it is important to follow your veterinarian's guidance. Always consult with your veterinarian before starting any treatment, especially if your pet has existing health issues. For application, the method differs between cats and dogs. For cats, it is recommended to use a spray bottle or a garden sprayer to apply the solution. This method is less stressful for the cat and reduces the risk of cross-contamination. For dogs, you can pour the solution over the affected areas directly. The dilution ratio is also important. Typically, you would mix 4 ounces of the concentrate with 1 gallon of water. In more severe cases, you might use 8 ounces per gallon, but be cautious as this higher concentration can lead to skin irritation. When applying lime sulfur dip, avoid contact with your pet's eyes and mucous membranes, as it can cause irritation. Make sure your pet does not ingest the solution, and wear protective gear like gloves and an apron to keep yourself safe. The solution has a strong odor and can stain clothing or discolor metal surfaces, so be mindful of your surroundings during application. For cats, lime sulfur dip is effective against certain mites, such as Demodex gatei. It is safe for pregnant and nursing cats, as well as kittens older than 2 to 3 weeks. However, if your cat has open wounds or specific medical conditions, consult your veterinarian before using this treatment. For dogs, lime sulfur dip is generally well tolerated, but again, it should be used as directed by your veterinarian to avoid any skin irritation. In terms of treatment frequency, it is usually recommended to apply the dip every 5 to 7 days, or as directed by your veterinarian. After applying the solution, do not rinse your pet. Instead, wrap them in a towel to help them dry, and keep an eye on them to ensure they do not lick the solution while it dries. In summary, lime sulfur dip can be an effective treatment for ringworm and other skin conditions in both cats and dogs. However, always use it carefully and under the guidance of a veterinarian to ensure the best results for your pet's health and well-being.